I guess I'm recording video. Okay, I guess today we are going to do a product demo and review of the Emeril air fryer. We are today going to make some chicken wings that we got from Kroger, and not Kroger, from Fred Meyer. Well, Fred Meyer is a Kroger brand. Look at me plugging these major corporations. I shouldn't be. Anyway, we're gonna make some chicken wings. So y'all hang on in there. We'll be back in a minute. First things first, we gotta season up these cold frozen wings. So I'm gonna just do what the instructions say. Add 3/4 of a cup of water to the Instant Pot and put the trivet in. Here's my 3/4 of a cup of water. Trivet's already in there. Where the wings at? These wings in here. All right, let's get to it. Ooh, I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Don't know if I'm gonna make it. We're gonna see if that works. All right, chicken wings done, baby. Looking real good too. I'm gonna take these out of here. Drop them on the pan. I'm gonna make up my sauce real fast. Followed up. All right, now I got my wings in my pan. I'm gonna go and drop some of this, make me up some sauce real quick and put my sauce on my wings, and I'm gonna toss them in the broiler for 7 minutes. Might flip them, might do them on both sides. Sauce I use some Sweet Baby Ray's, some Louisiana hot sauce, and a pat of butter. I'm gonna drop these in the microwave. I'm gonna shake my wings up in them, and then I'm gonna put them in the oven.